Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have any of the following three vehicles, guys, okay, Chrysler 200, Fiat 500, Toro, Dodge Ram, ProMaster, guys, with a 2.4 MultiAir engine, guys, and you're trying to remove your throttle body, stay with us, we'll explain what needs to be done to remove and replace your throttle body, or two if you need to remove and clean it, guys. Now, as you can see, guys, the engine is out of the car. That engine is used on multiple vehicles, guys, same engine. You do not have to remove the engine to remove or replace your throttle body. Why we have the engine out? Because we guys have more than 100 videos on that engine alone. And we want to show you with a great detail how to fix almost anything on it. So, please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So let's go ahead, start on it. If you guys need to buy a new throttle body or any of the parts and tools that we use, we have the links in the description of the video below. So, let's start on it and show you guys, okay, what needs to be done. When you open, guys, the hood of your car, okay, you're going to face the engine this way. So, first thing, guys, okay, we'll need to remove that engine cover right here. So, grab it with your hands, pull it out, guys. Okay, you can see just like that. What else we need to do? Now, right here, guys, you're going to have, okay, let me explain quick. You're going to have your air filter box located right here. So you need to get that hose clamp loose so you can pull that hose out of the air filter box. Next, right here, you're supposed to have one clip, plastic clip. Ours is broken, but with a clip removal tool, the clip looks just like this one. Go underneath and pry it out. After that, 10mm bolt right here, and we get that bolt out. Let me show you what else we need to do. So, we come on this side of the engine, guys. Here we have intake temperature sensor that we need to disconnect. Push down, disconnect that hose clamp. For the throttle body, you need to get it loose, guys. Okay, perfect. Now, we grab that intake and we can pull it out. Now, we need to, guys, get a 10mm wrench. Ratcheting wrench is super convenient. And right here you have, guys, two nuts that you need to remove. Once you get those things loose, guys, okay, they go by hand pretty easy. Usually, unless you have rust or something like that. Perfect, and you have one more on this side. We just dropped one. Perfect, like that. Now, what else we need to do, guys? We need to come, okay, let me just come on this side now. Okay, we have a 13mm, guys, okay, 13mm bolt for that support here that we need to remove. Okay, this is it. 10mm nut here that we'll need to remove. Okay, great. And we can grab that thing and pull it out. Okay, now 10mm. We're going to remove two bolts here. Before we continue, let me disconnect the wire so it's ready. Right here, guys. Okay, all you're going to do, push that red thing out. Now press right here, press down, pull it out. We have two more bolts with Torx 30 star looking bit. Let me show you quick that we need to remove. Perfect. You have to be extremely careful not to drop anything inside your engine, because otherwise you have to remove the intake. Okay, the intake manifold, guys, to get it out. Or what's going to happen, guys, if you don't get it out, it will get actually it will get in the valves, pistons, and you may end up needing a new engine. And we got the throttle body out. So as you can see, guys, this is your throttle body. That's how you remove it. Not too complicated, not the easiest thing, but not too complicated either. Just not convenient place. So Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. If you need to purchase a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, guys. Check it out. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you doing that kind of work. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.